What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release March 9th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. First, we got the Air Jordan Retro 5 Women Exclusive Lucky Green. Next, we got the Air Jordan Retro 5 Olive. And last but not least, we got the Air Jordan Retro 3 Green Glow. Now, all of these releases, plus the one that we're about to review, is shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. Also have full reviews live on the channel if you want to check those out. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Starting off with the box, got the all-white lid with the gold Jumpman sitting on top of the Flight branding. Gold cement print going throughout the whole bottom. Taking a look at the label, Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro, sailed metallic gold and black, size 8.5, and women we're going to be taking a look at. Got the clear paper with the gold Jumpman logos. Peel that back. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Women Exclusive Sail Metallic Gold. These do not come with any added accessories, so let's go ahead and get right into the review. Starting off with that top-down view of the shoe, got the all-sail sock liner. Nice leather tongue with no Jordan patch on these. As you can see, it's just a indented Jumpman logo sitting on top of the Flight branding. Sail laces, gold metallic waffle lace holders. Now going around to the lateral side of the shoe, very minimalistic design. As you can see, the whole upper is of one tone. The sail midsole has kind of like a shiny paint to it. Going around to the bottom, kind of got like a darker sail outsole. Metallic gold Jumpman logo sitting on the bottom. Going around to the heel of the shoe, got the sail heel tab, sail Jumpman logo. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Very clean, basic colorway in my opinion. Not really too much further to go over. What you see is what you get. If you are a fan of these joints and you want to pick them up for yourself or for your lady, please head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.